All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Nissan Altima. It is the 3.5 SL model, this beautiful gray with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, alloy wheels, sunroof, heated seats, heated steering. This car is awesome, folks. Best of all, minimum damage, only 38,000 miles. Your front bumper looks pretty darn nice. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice NLC curbing. Your tire tread is at 6/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice NLC curbing. And your tire tread here is over 7/32. Here's a nice shot of your roof. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have a, it is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it off for you guys. There's a push start system. Does come with two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Let's see your map. You got your maps here. Bow. All right, you got your backup camera. Boom. You got your backup sensors here. You can see right there, boom. Got your AC controls down below. It is dual AC controls. You got your heated seats right there, pow. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. Your instrument cluster and what that looks like. I don't see it. Do have an airbag light on and your mileage of 38,017. Looks good. Let's keep it moving. Is your rear passenger seat, what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have a armrest with cup holders. Rear bumper, as you can see, it's got sensors. It looks good. Your deck lid looks very nice. You got your trunk space and what that looks like. I don't see any. It's pretty big. And of course, you got your spare tire up under here with some tools, and then I tucked away your owner's manuals right back there. Coming around, this quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice NLC curbing. Your tire tread is over 8/32. This door looks good. Your front passenger, the other side of the rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Your front door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat as well. And your fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Tire tread, it's at just a hair on the 7/32. Lights are on, fog lights are on, car looks great. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Nissan Altima 3.5 SL model with 38,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.